Hey friends, welcome back to Twists and Travels, the home of casino cruising tips, tricks, and strategies to help you cruise more for less. Today I'm breaking down one of the most powerful casino cruise hacks that hardly anyone talks about. How to turn one single cruise casino offer into a whole year of cheap or even free cruises. Most people use their casino offer once and think, well, that was nice. But the people who cruise 4, 6, even 10 times a year, they're using a system. And by the end of this video, you will know what that exact system is. Let's jump right in. If you've ever wondered how people cruise multiple times a year, why some players always walk off the ship with another cruise booked, how cruisers get upgraded again and again, here's the truth. Casinos don't reward wins. They reward play behavior. And every time you cruise, your play creates a new data. That data triggers new offers. Cruise once, play smart, get a bounce back, book again, generate more offers, repeat. Casinos want return players. So even from a single cruise, you could receive bounce back free casino offers, deeply discounted balcony upgrades, free play offers all year, multiple email offers every few months, and land-based casino crossover deals. This isn't lucky, it's repeatable if you understand the system. If you love learning how to cruise more for less using casino offers, hit that subscribe button. I teach these strategies every week. And if you're looking for cruise port guides, flying with miles, and the best point-paid hotels near the cruise ports, check out my other channel, Points and Ports with Pam. That's where all my non-casino travel hacks will be living now. All right, back to the strategy. Your first cruise is the base of everything. Think of it like planting a seed. To maximize future offers, choose smart. Pick a 3 to 5 night sailing. Shorter cruises are cheaper for the casino to comp. They're also perfect for building your ADT without overspending. Avoid Christmas, New Year's, spring break, and midsummer. Off-season sailings will give you much more generous bounce backs. Choose ships with larger casinos. More machines equals more marketing budget, equals better offers. Some cruise lines even send better offers to players from big casino ships. Don't stress about the cabin. Inside rooms, ocean views, balconies, your rating is based on play, not your cabin. The first cruise is not about luxury. It's about triggering a year's worth of deals. If this is already clicking and you're thinking, wow, I've been booking the wrong cruises, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy video. And for help finding cheap flights or point hotels near cruise ports, hop on over to Points and Ports with Pam. I've got full guides over there. This is where beginners accidentally sabotage their offers. You're not trying to gamble more, you're trying to play intentionally. Choose a sustainable bet. Casinos reward consistency, not chaos. $1.50 to $3 spends will give you a free interior or ocean view. $3 to $7.50 spends are usually balcony offers. $10 to $15 spends, you get premium perks. Pick a bet size you can comfortably maintain for 1 to 2 hours. Play fewer days, stronger sessions. ADT averages your play across the days you gamble. Playing tiny sessions every night give you a low ADT. One solid 1 to 2 hour session gives you a high ADT. This is the #1 secret of repeat casino cruisers. Avoid machine hopping. If your car disconnects, your rating suffers. Stick to a machine for a clean, trackable session. Log your session, then stop. Don't chase wins, don't chase losses. You're not here to beat the casino. You are here to trigger future offers. Bonus tip, keep your daily average stable. 1 great night plus 1 light night is fine. 1 great night plus 3 tiny nights will ruin your average. If you're learning something new today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. These casino strategies help so many cruisers stretch their offers way further. And I created a free 1-page PDF cheat sheet you can save to your phone so you remember these tips while you're playing on board. The last night of the cruise is critical. Go to the casino host desk and ask, do I qualify for a bounce back offer? Most beginners don't even know this exists. Bouncebacks can include a free interior or ocean view, balcony discounts, free play, reduced deposit ceilings, offers valid for the same ship or any ship. These often expire within 7 to 30 days, so take action. Once you get home, the magic begins. Look for emails like free interior offers, free ocean views, balcony discounts, free play, casino match offers, land-based casino partnerships, multiple options across the Caribbean, Bahamas, Mexico, and Alaska. And yes, one well-played cruise can fuel 6 to 12 months of offers. Some players get clustered emails. You'll get 3 to 5 offers at once because marketing cycles happen in wave. If that happens to you, you know that your ADT hit the sweet spot. And by the way, once you start cruising more often, you'll want cheap flights and points-paid hotel stays near the port. That's exactly what I teach on my other channel, Points and Ports with Pam. It pairs perfectly with your casino cruising. Here's the formula every casino cruiser should memorize. Cruise, play smart, trigger new offers, book another, and repeat. This is how people keep cruising multiple times a year on different ships with different itineraries, often playing little to nothing out of pocket. You're not chasing wins, you're not overspending, you're simply using the system the way it was designed. If you want more videos on how ADT actually works, how the cruise line calculates your value, how to interpret your casino offers, how to turn free play into more deals, how to plan a full year of discounted cruises, make sure you subscribe to Twists and Travels right now. And don't forget, for the travel side of your cruise journey, like cheap flights, point hotels, and pre-cruise tips, follow my second channel, Points and Ports with Pam. You'll have so much money when you see both of these strategies together. Thanks for watching, and remember, cruise smarter, travel further, one twist at a time. Bye now.